Hello and welcome to a new video. My name's Aid. Today I'm removing the windscreen wiper cowl from my 2006 Maserati Quattroporte M139. I'm doing this for three reasons. Firstly, because the cowl is damaged in quite a few places, so needs to be repaired or more likely replaced with a new one. Secondly, because I've got oil leaking from the cam cover gaskets on both sides of the engine, so cam covers need to be removed and new gaskets fitted. Thirdly, I've got an engine warning light on the dashboard. Using a diagnostic tool, I've read the fault code and it suggests there could be a problem with either the variator control solenoid valve or phase sensor. The solenoids are fixed to the front of the cylinder head underneath the cam covers. Phase sensors are fixed on the outside of the cam cover at the rear. So in order to gain access to the engine to do the work, I need to first of all remove the wiper cowl, then the dash panel upper moulding and quite a few other parts as well. If you like the video and want to see more, then please subscribe and click on the notification bell. That way you'll be notified as soon as I upload new videos. So taking a look at the cowl on the right hand side, you can see it's completely broken. There's multiple cracks on this piece with little holding it on. There's a bolt in this hole used to secure the cowl, but as you can see it's broken and isn't secured. The left side's completely broken and there's a crack on this piece here. Starting on the right hand side, I had to drill the head off the Allen bolt, which somebody kindly left rounded off, and using a trim removal tool I remove the plastic cover which exposes the nut, and I remove this using the ratchet and socket. I then remove the wiper arms from the wiper motor shaft. I've removed these before and greased the spline so I can easily remove these by hand. They can sometimes be difficult to remove, so you may need to use some anti-seize lubricant and a wiper arm puller tool to get them off. Moving over to the left hand side, I do the same. Firstly removing the plastic cover and then the nut. On this side there's no bolt securing the wiper arm, so it pulls straight off. I then remove the rubber seal. And using a screwdriver, I remove the screws on the top front of the cowl. I then remove these three bolts. And pull off the rubber tube that supplies the washer jets with water from the wiper fluid reservoir. I gently lift out the cowl, and as I do this you can see the large crack in the centre. Taking a look inside, you can now see the cabin air inlet and the wiper motor assembly. Well, that's the wiper cowl now removed. The next video will be the removal of the dash panel upper moulding, so I'll add a link to the video in the description below when it's available. Remember, if you like the video and want to see more, then please subscribe and click on the notification bell. See you next time.